thinkers, Temi here, Temi. Welcome back and welcome if this is your first time. Today we're going to be creating this eye look right here using the Juvia'S Nubian 3 Coral palette. If you guys want to see how I created this look, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm going to be creating a look with this Juvia'S Nubian 3 Coral palette. Here's what it looks like. I'll do some swatches at the end of the look. Well, I already did my brows. Let me show you guys what I used for my brows. So I used the L'Oreal Infallible Lacquer Liner. It's a gel eyeliner. It's in ebony brown. It's an expresso, and I like using it. This was a very creamy eyeliner, but I left it open one time and it thickened up a little bit, and I think it works even better now that it's a little bit thicker. So I like that. So, and I primed my eye using this Physicians Formula matte eye primer, and then also this Revlon candid photoready candid concealer, and I cleaned up my brows with this Maybelline concealer palette in deep. What shade is it? Yeah, in deep. Let's get into this eye. So what I want to do is I want to do something with the grays in this palette. The only thing this palette is missing is like a really dark gray color, like really dark, to kind of deepen the look. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably use the really dark brown, this dark brown right here for that, because I don't want to bring in anything additional for this look, but I want to do something really gray. Yeah, I want to do a gray look, and that was what drew me to this palette. Actually, I love the combination of the warm colors and then those grays. That really drew me in. So, and this is my first time using this. I've never used it before, so this would be a first impressions, not necessarily a what's it called? No, not a review or anything. I'm gonna be using it throughout the month. This is my first time using it, but I'm gonna be using it throughout the month of September, and then at the end of the month when I do my makeup basket review, then I'll review it. That way I would have had more time to use it well. You know, I'm just gonna sweep this lighter gray down here, this one. I'm just gonna sweep that, like just dust it in my crease, just to start building our base. I'm using a really fluffy brush. So how are you guys doing? I hope all is well with you all. I hope you guys are living life, loving life, prospering, you know, bringing good fruit, being fruitful and productive. Alright, that's actually a nice color. Oh, I didn't think it was going to show up, but it is. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with a smaller blending brush. I'm going to go in with this gray up here, and I'm going to concentrate that in the crease as well. But I'm not going to go like sloppy as I did the first color. I'm going to be a bit more precise. So I'm going to pack on the color until I get the intensity I want first. And I noticed that works better if you are going for like a really dramatic, colorful look. You want to pack on the color first before you blend. And I try to pack on the color where I want it to show up the most. And I'm going back with that fluffy brush, and then I'm going to kind of just fluff out the edges. Just gently though, not too sloppy. I finally took out my braids. My husband helped me. He's such a darling. I was dreading taking it off. Yeah, like, Babe, can you help me take out my hair? Sure. It was really good. Although he was yanking at my hair a little bit hard. But he did well. I'm just gonna go back in and just reinforce that gray. I'm really liking how these colors are looking though. And I'm not having like much issue blending either. So I'm not putting any more color, I'm just going over, just fading the edges. I don't know why they didn't name this palette. They always name all their palettes, like all their shades, but not this one. All right, so I'm gonna go in with that dark brown, this one right here, and I'm gonna start packing that into the outer corner. So I'm just gonna, again, I'm gonna build the color up first. I'm gonna concentrate it only in the outer corner. I don't want it to take away from the grayness of the look. I'm not having much issue with this palette at all. Like the color seems to be working well together. Nothing is acting weird or crazy. I'm really liking this. And it's not like this is my first time using Juvia'S face palette, but it's not something that I use all the time. I've used their palette maybe a handful of times. So I think I have like 3 palettes, 3 or 4. I'm gonna go back in with that brush I used for the gray and picked up that mid-tone gray and just use it to blend out this brown just a little bit around the edges, so they kind of, you know, walk into each other. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this gray color right here, this one. Yeah, I'm gonna put that all over the lid, and I'm not gonna spray the brush or anything. I'm just gonna pack it on. Oh yes, this is the kind of shimmer I've been missing in my life. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, I'm enjoying this so I am so enjoying this. And I'm not gonna put it in the inner corner because I want to put that light metallic gray in there. I always take my shadow above my crease because I have a hooded eye. I have to do that anyway. Otherwise, if I don't do that, the color is going to transfer anyway. This color, it looks like it shines kind of like glass. It looks really pretty. I'm gonna go in with the lighter silver, this one that you guys can't see well, this one right here. I'm gonna pack that in the inner part of my eye. I'm just reinforcing all the colors with the brown. Pretty? Yeah, I wish there was a dark gray, but hey, it's still a really pretty look. I'm gonna go in with a wing liner. I'm gonna use this Rimmel Wonder Wing eyeliner. It's an okay eyeliner. Not my favorite. Excuse me, not my favorite. That wing is sharp. I miss my Physicians Formula wing liner. I thought I had multiple at home, so I gave like some away. And then come to find out I don't have any. The one I have is brown. It's all good. I'll buy another one. Just going back, you know. Just I'm not adding any more color. I'm just perfecting. That's the entire look, guys. I know some people will say, you know, I should put some lashes and stuff, but yeah, I'm not going to. I'm just gonna use my mascara. Alright. This mascara is actually not bad. It doesn't lengthen, but it separates, and it does give me some volume. Yeah, I mean, it gives me a little bit of volume, a little bit of length. Well, yeah, it's mega volume, so it's supposed to give me volume, but that's what I'm noticing the most, that it gives me some nice volume. I actually like it. My eyebrow is looking a bit wonky, so let me fix it. Am I the only one? I can't be the only one that does that, right? Like, as you continue doing your makeup, you're like, this doesn't work. This needs a little this, a little touch up, a little that, and then you keep fixing and fixing and fixing. You know what? Let me leave it before we start over fixing. All right, so that's the finished look, guys. What do you guys think? Actually, I really like this. I like this. You know, it's glam, but it's not like too glam. I can wear this to church. I can definitely wear this to church. I like how this looks. I like this palette so far. So I'm actually gonna film another video with my face makeup. I'm doing what's it called? Drugstore, good product you can find at the drugstore for dark skin. Most, you know, I'm gonna focus mainly on things you can find at Walmart, because I think there's a Walmart in almost every community. So just good, solid products, you know, for deep skin people that you can find at Walmart. So I'm gonna go record that video, and then I'll be back. When I come back, magic, my face will be on. Okay, I'll see you guys. Magic. I'm back, guys. So face is on. I will link in the comment section below everything that I used for my face, but let me just share with you guys what I used for my lips. I used blah 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 blah. Okay, this Rimmel is this exaggerate? No, 100 Kisses lip liner in coffee bean, and then this yeah, Physicians Formula Healthy Lip Velvet liquid lipstick. I don't know what shade it is. It's not what shade it is. It's not written on there, but that's what I use for my lip. And I'm gonna put like a brown eyeliner. I'm gonna be using this brown eyeliner from Almay. This is the only product from Almay that I can use and that I like. It stays on, it doesn't go anywhere. So I think what I want to do is, put that gray in my lower lash line. Yeah, this second gray color. Hopefully I don't regret that. Oh, I don't regret that at all. That's pretty. Alright, that's the finished look, guys. What do you guys think? I really like this palette. I mean, I think this is the easiest look I have. It was so easy. You know, I didn't have to like fuss with the shadows. It was easy to blend, apply. Yeah, I like this palette. I'm gonna continue using it. I think I might even recreate this look for church tomorrow. I really like this palette. Yeah, I'm glad I picked it up. So anyway, let me know what you guys think, guys. Like I said, the only thing that is missing is like a really dark gray color. But apart from that, I like the combination of the coral and the grays. So I think that was very, very different, because I've never seen something like that before. So I actually love all gray palette. If anybody's listening, all gray, nothing else. Grays and silvers, that's it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know, did you pick up the coral palette? How did you like it? Good, not good for you guys? So I said I was gonna swatch, so I just want to do a quick swatch of the shades. I'm gonna go from this side, you know, like that, top to bottom. So the first silver shade, and then this gray, and then this kind of darker gray silver color. I used all three colors in my eye, and then this shiny metallic coral right here. I'm still learning how to swatch, guys, so bear with me. So next is this kind of reddish metallic color. Oh, that is pretty. I can't wait to use that. I hope that is showing up. I'll take a picture anyway. Next one is this brown, the one that I used on the outer corner of my eye. You see that? Next is this brown metallic. Why? Because it seems like we're going to run out of space. There's this light coral down here. And this bright coral over here. Colors look similar, but this one is more brighter, and then this one looks like it has more brown and less color in it. Light gray right here, very light gray. I'm gonna, where do I want to put this? Well, we can put it beside it. That's the shade that I use, the first shade that I use as a transition shade, and it actually worked really nice. Bright orangey coral shade right here. It looks like tangerine. It almost looks like a tangerine shade. What's that right here? Yeah, it looks like a really bright tangerine shade. And then last but not least is like a mid-tone coral shade. Really nice. They are very soft, they're not too dry. Some of the shimmers are a bit crumbly, but you know, it was easy to kind of smooth it out. But that's all the shades. I hope you guys can see that. I'm sorry guys, I'm still learning how to properly swatch, but I'll take a picture and put it in. So again, like I said, I'll be using it throughout the month, and I'll post like looks on my Instagram, you know, so you guys can kind of see the kind of looks that I created with the palette. So thank you again for watching, guys, and I appreciate you guys always coming back. If you found some kind of value in this video, please like and also subscribe, and thank you, and I'll see you guys next week.